Okay kids, for today's project, we're installing a tankless water heater. There she is, looking all pretty. Oh yeah, oh yeah. And this was, as you can see, an original water heater closet with a 18-inch pedestal, which I have extracted to add room space, and all of that is the shutoff valve for the outlet up there, and then I haven't soldered the inlet. I'm waiting for a piece of pipe to show up, but I got it over there. Because I want all my plumbing to pop out of the wall. I don't want it to be like dangling down next to the unit. It's a pretty good looking unit. And, you know, I just don't want to ruin it with pipes and stuff sticking out of it. So we'll drive all this back up and seal it up. And probably just leave the vents. I don't know. Seal the back of them. And then I gotta do the roof vent. And that is that little animal right there. These tankless water heaters have a special roof vent, which is to help get rid of the extra NOx from all the natural gas burning, since it's like 10 times more energy than your freaking heater. But there it is. Once I got more of it installed, I will make another video.